Well, hey there. It's Cecilia here, and I go by the tagline. I'm your engineer by education and home business owner by desire, just in case you don't know me. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make real money online in 2019 and how to do it working from home. And I am doing the exact same things that I'm going to share with you in this video. And just so you know, I have not worked a traditional job since March 23rd of 2018. I've been running my business full time online, and I'm just going to share with you today one of my income streams. I think it's very valuable information, especially with it being one, the beginning of the new year, and two, with this government shutdown going on. People are looking for real opportunities to make real money online working from home. So, is this money real? Well, first, let me show you. This is my actual Chase business account. These are some of my deposits just for January from one income stream in 2019. So 159, 51, 83, 58, 13, 50, 45, 45, 73, 536, 122. And if you'll notice, these are dailies. And then we jump down to the 14th. And then there's another one on the 14th. And then the 9th. And there we are, January 3rd. And that's how I finished out December of 2000 with that week's deposit in December. So these are real deposits to my account for business from this one particular income stream. Yes, it is real money. You might think, oh, it's only $51 or it's only $83. But when this kind of money is coming in daily, it makes a difference. And I don't want to sell you a pie in the sky dream of make $5,000 in the next 30 days. No, it's not how it works. These small trickles add up and they take care of business. And this is just one opportunity that I'm going to share with you. So, how do you get started with this? Well, step one, you're doing it right here. You watch this video. By watching this video, you will also be eligible to earn the $200 fast track bonus. All you do is click the link below, create a free account, and then check your email to qualify for the $200 fast track bonus. So once you click let me in, which is step two, you'll enter your email address to create your free account. All right, so now you've entered your email address, you click this button, you're going to check your email to find out about the $200 fast track bonus. You will go here, claim your free account. This is step three. Click this button, claim your free account, and you'll be taken here. On this page, you'll enter your information and I'll ask you some more questions and you will click Act Now. Once you click Act Now, you will be on your way to doing the very same thing that I do to make money online working from home. It is free to get registered and you will find valuable information that you can use to do the same things I do to make money online and get those regular deposits in my bank account. That's a simple four-step system. Anybody can do it. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So make sure you, in the description of this video, you click the link so you can get to this page right here where you will see this video playing that you're watching right now. Make sure you get in by entering your email address. Once you enter your email address, make sure you claim your free account. Once you click claim your free account, enter your information so we can get you started on your way to being your own boss, setting your own hours, and achieving your own goals. So if you got value from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm always throwing out tools, tips, tactics, and strategies that you can use to make money online working from home. But the first thing you got to do is click the link in the description so you can get started on your way to make money online fast in 2019, and then also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again. Don't forget to click the link so we can get you started today. Have a good one.